OPAD, OPAD Solutions Inc. Stock Analysis. General Overview and Trend. OPAD Solutions has experienced extreme volatility over the past 3 months, starting from 113 and reaching an astonishing peak of 635 on August 28, before closing at 517 on September 5th. The stock has shown an exceptional upward trajectory overall, with particularly explosive momentum in late August. The price action suggests a very strong bullish trend despite recent pullbacks from the peak. The stock has been trading well above all of its moving averages, indicating intense strength in the trend. Price volume patterns reveal extraordinary spikes in trading activity, particularly on August 25th, when over 161 million shares were traded, coinciding with a major price surge. This unprecedented volume indicates massive institutional interest and retail participation. In recent sessions, volume has decreased to around 16.7 million shares on September 5th, which is still significantly higher than the early period volumes, indicating continued strong interest. The price-volume relationship shows that upward moves have been accompanied by exceptionally high volume, confirming the extremely bullish bias. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. The short-term moving averages, SMA 5 at 5,058 and EMA 5 at 4,918.1, are positioned below the current price, indicating recent bullish momentum. The medium-term averages, SMA 20 at 2,865 and EMA 20 at 3,431, are significantly below the current price, confirming the strong intermediate-term uptrend. Notably, the EMAs are positioned well above their corresponding SMAs across all timeframes, which typically indicates very strong momentum. The longer-term averages, SMA 200 at 2,171 and EMA 200 at 2,226, are far below the current price, suggesting an exceptionally strong long-term bullish trend. Technical indicators. The technical indicators paint an extremely bullish picture for OPAD. The VWAP at 4,283 is well below the current price, indicating that the stock is trading substantially above its average price for the period, which is strongly bullish. The consistent positioning of EMAs well above SMAs across multiple timeframes suggests intense buying pressure. The price trading far above all key moving averages indicates broad-based and powerful strength. The significant distance between shorter and longer-term moving averages indicates very strong momentum. Linear regression. The linear regression trend for OPAD shows a very steep upward trajectory over the 3-month period. The slope of the regression line is strongly positive, indicating exceptional bullish momentum. The current price is trading well above the regression line, suggesting that the stock is performing much better than its statistical trend. The standard deviation bands around the regression line show expanding volatility, particularly in August, which aligns with the extraordinary price movements during that period. Opening price prediction for the next trading day based on the current technical indicators and price action. The opening price for the next trading day is likely to be around 525 to 535. This prediction considers the recent closing price of 517, the strong bullish momentum indicated by the EMAs, and the overall powerful upward trend. The slight gap up would be consistent with the recent price behavior and the current positioning of the moving averages. Support and resistance analysis. Key resistance levels are identified at 550 recent high, 600 psychological level, and 635 all-time high in the dataset. Support levels are found at 4.70 recent low, 4.00 psychological level, and 3.20 previous consolidation area. The current price of 5.17 is positioned between the immediate support and resistance levels, suggesting a neutral short-term stance within the larger bullish trend. The distance to the nearest resistance at 5.50 is approximately 6.4%, while the distance to the nearest support at 4.70 is about 9.1%. This positioning suggests that the stock has slightly more room to the upside before encountering significant resistance. Intraday ATR 14 values and potential high-low values. The ATR 14 value indicates very high volatility in OPAD, with an average daily range of approximately 0.70 to 0.90. Based on this, the potential high for the next trading day could be around 6.07, current close plus ATR, while the potential low could be around 4.27, current close minus ATR. This wide range reflects the stock's extremely volatile nature and suggests that intraday traders should be prepared for substantial price swings. Possible scenarios. In a bullish scenario, OPAD could break above the 550 resistance level and target the 600 psychological level, with further upside potential toward the 635 all-time high. This scenario would likely be accompanied by high volume and confirmation from technical indicators. In a bearish scenario, the stock could break below the 470 support level and target the 400 psychological level, with further downside potential toward the 320 support. Given the strength of the uptrend, a deep correction would still leave the stock in a long-term bullish position. A neutral scenario would involve continued consolidation between 470 and 550 as the market digests the recent extraordinary gains. Conclusion: OPAD Solutions has demonstrated exceptionally strong bullish momentum over the past 3 months, with extraordinary price appreciation and massive volume increases. The technical indicators strongly support the bullish outlook, with the stock trading far above key moving averages and showing signs of intense strength. The stock appears to be in a powerful uptrend that could continue if market conditions remain favorable. However, the extreme volatility and recent pullback from the peak suggest that the stock may be due for some consolidation. Traders should watch for a break above the 550 resistance level as a signal for renewed upside momentum, while a break below 470 would indicate a deeper correction. Given the stock's extremely volatile nature, careful risk management is essential when trading OPAD.